Welcome to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. In the previous class, we learned about first aid for cuts and scratches, first aid for fractures, and first aid for burns. Today in this session, we are going to learn about remaining first aid tips. First one, first aid for nosebleeds. Second one, first aid for sprains. And third one, first aid for animal bites. Dear students, look at the picture given. Do you know what is a nosebleed? The first picture denotes a nosebleed. What is a nosebleed? A nosebleed is the loss of blood from the tissues that lines the inside of your nose. This is called a nosebleed. Next, what are the common causes of nosebleeds? The common causes of nosebleeds includes nose picking, repeated sneezing, coughing, and inserting an object into your nose. Next, second picture denotes the first aid tips for nosebleeds. First point, make the person sit up with his head tilted upwards. Second point, hold and pinch the soft portion of the nose carefully for at least 5 minutes to stop bleeding. Second one, first aid for sprains. Look at the picture given. Do you know what is sprain? A sprain is an injury to a ligament. What's the meaning of the term ligaments? Ligaments are a band of tissues around your joint. Next, what are the symptoms of sprain? Pain, swelling, and bruising are the symptoms of sprain. Next, where does this occur? A sprain generally occur around wrist and ankles when they are suddenly twisted. Sometimes the joints swell up and may also form a bruise. What's the meaning of the term bruise? A blue, brown, or purple mark that appears on the skin after somebody has fallen. Next, the following are the first aid tips for sprain. First point, in such cases, make the person sit in a comfortable position and apply an ice pack to the area. However, do not apply the ice directly. Then carefully bandage the swollen area to limit movement. Second point, the person should be made to rest, keeping the sprained area above the position of the heart while lying down. Third one, first aid for animal bites. What are animal bites? Do you know? Any wound caused by animal's mouth and teeth are called animal bites. How animal bites are caused? Look at the picture given. Animal bites are commonly caused by pets such as cats and dogs. These bites can cause a disease called rabies. The risk of rabies is high if bitten by stray animals. What's the meaning of the term stray animals? Stray animals means homeless animals. Next, the following first aid tips for animal bites. First one, in case of an animal bite, wash the wound with running water and cover it with a clean bandage. Take the person to the doctor immediately. Second one, for bee stings, apply a paste of baking soda or toothpaste. For wasp stings, apply vinegar or lemon juice. Third one, snake bites can be very deadly if not treated properly. It is very important to calm the person down. The following steps should be followed in case of a snake bite. First one, do not allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body. What's the meaning of the term venom? Venom means poisonous liquid. Second point, position the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. Next, clean the wound with water but do not flush. What's the meaning of the term flush? Flush means a redness of a skin. Cover it with a clean, dry dressings. Look at the picture. Next, fourth one, do not apply ice or try to cut the wound to take out venom. Fifth one, take the victim to the hospital immediately. Victim means sufferer. Today, in this session, we completed lesson 3, safety and first aid. In the next online class, we learn book back exercise in lesson 3. Thank you, dears.